Alright, this will be the last video. I mentioned before that I would, but... So here's the back while it's running. Very little smoke coming out. I mean, it's barely visible. And again, inside we've got... The only light on's that brake light one, which is weird because they all work. But in any case... See? So the coolant is now off and everything. And listen to this baby purr. And look at that. No smoke. I believe this thing's actually fixed. Now, I can't tell if this is a high idle or not because the tachometer doesn't work. So there's no real way to tell what the RPMs are. It sounds high, but I don't really know. I mean, it's a 6-cylinder. All my cars are V8s. I don't know. And the temperature gauge doesn't work inside, but the coolant level is full. It's right there above the max. This engine's been running for at least 30 minutes. So our coolant water is about 177 degrees. Not much different there. Valve covers, same. This is the upper radiator hose coming out of the thermostat, 170. The bypass, 160. And then this is the cooling water, 111 if you can see it. There it is, 111 degrees. So it's not overheating. It's running pretty cool. 177 on the cylinder head side of the thermostat, 186. And then on the other side, radiator side at 120. So we're not overheating. We're doing good temperature-wise everywhere. Nowhere near boiling. And other than it may or may not be idling high, I mean, it runs just fine. Nice throttle response, and no more puffs of smoke coming out of this thing. And then it goes through the gears just fine. Still running fine. Get my... See? I believe that this thing is road ready. Also, interestingly enough, the gas gauge moved. Usually it sits at nothing, but now for some reason it's a quarter. But that can't be right because the gauge just stopped working. So I don't know what's up with that. We're just gonna have to go by the odometer, which is every 150 miles. Just reset the trip. We're sitting at 39 now. Apologize, it's dark. There we go. 39 miles. That's all I wanted to show you guys. This thing is fixed, and I am 100% confident you can drive it around without it breaking down. Runs strong. Revs up just fine. And it is not overheating. 115 degrees on the radiator. Upper hose, 160, thereabouts. Bypass, 168. Coolant expansion tank itself, 180 degrees. Valve cover, 175. Intake manifolds, a nice cool 110. So there you go. This car is 100% legit. I don't foresee this thing having any more problems. I'd say that's a job well done. This car is 100% road ready. Boom, done.